Hello there, welcome to Cannes Yachting Festival. My name is Jonas Göthberg and I'm on the brand new Nimbus W11. I'm standing here on a hydraulic swim platform. You can either lower it 30 centimeters down below the waterline and you have a magnificent stair here going up. Or you can also lift it up if you want to reverse in to the pontoon. The heart of this boat is the big launch area. You have a big windscreen so you feel warm and cozy while sitting and enjoying the boat. This is where you socialize. You have perfect space to cooking dinner here. The deck is in one level, and this is something that you have to experience when you really use the boat. You don't have much steps or thresholds or anything. You also have massive storage on the boat. Huge storage for gyro, for generator, for all your toys. People love to go sunbathing. And here you get an extra sunbed. You have a driver area here, which you can have all kinds of navigational equipment. You of course have the joystick with the skyhook and the autopilot and the new control system from Mercury. And we have footrest everywhere, so you can easily have a very comfy seat, or if you want to stand to drive the boat, of course. So this seat here is a two-seater. Again, you have footrest for that. And you can also sit relaxed and put your feet up here. With zip locks, you can easily cover up the complete boat, so you have it fully enclosed here. This boat also have a huge T-top, so you can, with the push of a button, have it open sky. You have two separate cabins with two sleeping beds in each cabin. And you got the mid cabin as well, where you can host your friends or your children. And storage, you have cupboards, you have big cupboards for bags, you get a lot of shelves. This is for the people who value the lifestyle, who want more than just going out over the day. This is our interpretation of the perfect weekender. Besides the Nimbus W11, you will also see the T9 and the very successful T11. Really a fantastic range we are showing off at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. See you in Fort Lauderdale, and remember, life is always better on a boat.